Hello everyone, this is Angelina. I'm an IELTS coach and a language trainer. And I'm making this video to help so many of you to get registered for your IELTS A1 Life Skills test at home by yourself without taking help of anyone. I will take you through these steps one by one. If you're ready, let's get started.
Yeah, that's just for fun.
Hello everyone, this is Angelina. I'm an IELTS coach and a language trainer. And I'm making this video to help so many of you to get registered for your IELTS A1 Life Skills test at home by yourself without taking help of anyone. There are few simple steps. I will take you through these steps one by one. We'll talk about how you can get registered for your IELTS A1 Life Skills or IELTS B1 Life Skills from the website that is www.britishcouncil.pk. I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. First of all, if you don't remember the website, just type IELTS A1 Life Skills registration. And on top, you will see IELTS with British Council, register for IELTS. So the website would show up. What to do next? After you reach this page, you'll see two options. Book IELTS, computer-based or paper-based, Book IELTS UKVI or Life Skills. So you'll click on the second one. Alright, so here we have Book a New Test. Now, keep scrolling down until you find IELTS Life Skills A1, and then you would click on it. Book IELTS Life Skills A1. Once you click on that, you will have this page. Choose country or territory and dates. So as you can see, I've chosen Pakistan here. You can choose any country. Now, there is a question here. Do you need any special arrangements on the test date? Remember, if you have any problem with hearing, or you can't see properly, or you have a problem with speaking, if you stammer, or any other problems, please mention yes. Or if you think that you're perfectly fine to take the exam, then you should choose no. Alright? As soon as you will choose no, we'll have some options in here. When do you want to sit the test? This means when do you want to take the test? I'm going to click on that. Now, after clicking the month, you will be clicking choose location. Once you click that, now it is time for you to choose the locations and to check your availability, and you can choose any city. You can choose any city that is closer to you because some of the villages and towns do not have the facility of IELTS A1, B1 Life Skills or any other IELTS exam, so they have to go to the cities nearby. So you can choose any city based on your availability, and you can choose any city based on your location. So I'm going to choose Lahore. So I've chosen it. You would click on administered by the British Council Lahore. And then search for tests. Alright, moving on, we will have this page that is related to please choose a test day. We're going to pick that one. We're going to click on that, and then you will click on this plus button, and then you will click choose this test. After doing this, as you can see, your test selection. Test fee is written in here in PKR on Life Skills test. Moving forward, you will have a look at your venue for the test, like the possible venue for the test. As you can see, we have IELTS Life Skills A1. The test will be held on Thursday, 2022. It mentions the name of the college or the institute where the test will be held. Okay, after that you must keep scrolling down. Just keep scrolling down and you will have some list of instructions. You don't really have to bother. But anyways, moving on, you would just say create an account. Now, creating an account is an important thing. To create an account, you must have your Gmail, right? Get your Gmail account ready that you use. You must have their passwords too that you can use. So here you will type your first name, here you will type your surname, that is your second name, and then your date of birth and month and year, everything is mentioned. Then you can type your email there, email that you genuinely use every day, and you open that and you know that you have access to that email address. So please use that one in here, and then confirm the same email. I would prefer that get a Gmail account. After that, you can type the password, and then you may also click on show password if you want to. Once you will create your password here, you will see these options that your marketing preferences. Depends on you, whichever you want to choose. I will go with the second one, that I'm happy to receive updates about product, services, events provided or organized by the British Council, including members of the wider British Council group. I'm going to choose this one, right? You can also choose this one. After that, you would go down and you would see this option that I agree to the account registration. After that, just click on register. Now, when you will arrive on this page, you will get to see login. And you will see your account has been created successfully. To continue with your booking, please log in below. You will put the email that you put on your previous page, and after that you will put the password that you pretty much created there. So let's try it. Log in and continue booking. Now from here, when you will arrive on this page, you will see step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the payment. So you will keep on scrolling down until you reach at this point, that is book test. Click on this, that is book test. You will move to step 1. Click myself, and here are some details, of course, of a student that I've already hidden. So you will just keep on scrolling down, and then again choose your country here, and after that you can write choose your country, then write your address. If you have any other address, you may write a second line of address to apply. After that, write the town or city, then the zip or the postal code, and after that write your state, like your province. And at the end, write your number, that is your mobile number, your active mobile number. So make sure that you write your number with the code, and you write 00 or +92. If you will not write that, the website will not accept that. Moving forward, you can look, as you can see that the number was not typed like that. So now the website is saying that the field has to match this specific pattern. So of course you have to write a +92 in there first and then type your number. Click on Add ID. You will click on Add ID, and after that we'll move to step number 2. And in the step number 2, as you can see, we only have 23 minutes remaining, so we need to be quick. Moving down quickly, you can see, please add the test taker's ID details below. So you will add your identification type. You may choose either you want to pick for the passport or your national identity card, and then you can put the number there, passport number or national identity card number. I'd say that choose national identity card number if you don't have a passport. After that, you would type your national identity card expiry date. Be careful with that. Examine your ID card carefully and then write the date, month, and the year. And now you would click on Add Additional Details. Of course, you have to add who has issued this ID card. So you can say Islamic Republic of Pakistan. You can write that in there and then you can continue. You will move to step number 3. That is, of course, you have to choose your gender. You will choose, are you a male or female? After that, you will put your title here, Miss, Mrs, or Miss or Doctor. And after that, again, you have to choose your country or the territory of your nationality. After that, what is your first language? You may choose any like Punjabi, Urdu, any language, because there are lots of options available there. How many years have you been studying English? Now in here you can write 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, depends. You know, you can write anything. Now here comes, what level of education have you completed? Well, you don't have a degree, you've just done your matriculation or you've just done school. So just pick anything. Go for like degree or equivalent. Just go for that. Click on that, degree or equivalent. After that, just again click on add additional details. And then that we're going to move to step number 4. And step number 4, you have to choose your occupation. Choose anything in here. I would suggest that go for administrative services. And after that, choose anything. You can keep just going, and always in here in the second option, go for self-employed, because that is pretty easier. That is much easier. After that, your interest in IELTS. Why are you going to take IELTS? You can choose immigration, study, whatever your genuine interest is. Moving forward, you can see that we have gotten all these details in here, and at the end they would ask you that please name the agent who is acting on your behalf. So you can clearly choose anything. You can go for Learn English with Miss Angelina. It's not a big deal. Anything you can type in there. After that, you have to click on I agree to the IELTS terms and conditions, and then click the last button, that is payment. Now if you're not going to pay through a debit card or credit card, I'd recommend that pay through the Standard Chartered Bank. It is very easy, and you can just click on myself. Please fill out the payment form. You can see that all that information is given in here: your name, your mobile number, your country, your address, your town, your zip code. But you're not going to pay online, so you will choose pay another way. Once you do that, after that you can pretty much land on this page, that is pay later. Pay by bank transfer. Here you'll get all the details that you will write on a yellow form that you will get at the bank, and you can quickly fill it in by adding your payment reference number, your name and your city and everything, and your test date. After that, click on show confirmation. As you can see that we have landed in here. We can see booking acknowledgement. Here we have it, booking acknowledgement. It says congratulations, your IELTS test is booked, and then you will look at the venue down there and manage the bookings if you want to change it or anything like that. So hence your test is booked, and I hope this video helped you.